What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the Rainbow Fund. Okay, guys, so this is a brand new project. Okay, guys, I think it's been live for 1 or 2 days max. Okay, so this kind of projects you got to get in super early. Okay, guys, so I haven't invested, I haven't done anything with the project, so I'm showing you from scratch how to get started. Okay, so first things first, you gotta register, okay? Crypto channel 329, that's my username, password, what I'm gonna write, okay? This is my password, obviously I'm not gonna disclose. Select account security issues, what's your hometowns? Let's say New York City, New York City. Why is it? There you go. It has to be capitals. Okay. New York, NYC, New York City. Okay. And once you've done that, you click register. And surprisingly, it's not asking for email address. Okay. Crypto channel 329 and my password, if I remember. Boom. We are in. Okay. So this is the dashboard of the Rainbow Fund. So how Rainbow Fund works? Okay. Essentially, they have plans where you can earn from 11% to 15% respectively. I was like, damn. Welcome to Rainbow Fund, a fully smart contract platform with a high investment return. Pledge or the daily pledge income is 111% to 15% respectively. Okay, earn 170% up to 250% in 15 days. Okay, over here is the white paper. We can find the white paper, and over here we can see the data. Okay, total recharge, total withdrawal, and total registrations. And over here we can see the latest deposits and withdrawals. Okay, over here we can see the daily archive. Not really sure what's this. Over here we can see the team. Not really sure if they're real or not. Okay, and over here we can see the TG. So let's have a look at the TG. Let's see how many members we have on TG. 1,500 members. Currently online we have 55. Okay. Cool. So let's go over to staking and let's see what's up. Okay. Staking, we can see that we have two packages. So we have the package number one, where you're gonna earn 174% returns within 15 days. And you have the package number two, where you're gonna earn 204% return within 15 days. Okay. And this one, it's 11.6% daily ROI, and this one is 13.6% daily ROI. Okay, and the minimum investment is $10 on this one, and over here is $500. Obviously, I haven't invested yet because, like I showed you, this is my first rodeo with this project. Okay, guys. So whatever you see, I see. Okay, firsthand. Okay. So over here is where you're going to recharge. Okay, recharge means top up your account. So if you're going to recharge, you come over here to recharge. Okay, and you select the currency. You got BNB, BUSD, USDT, or TRX. Okay, so let's click on USDT. Okay, and then over here we got BEP20 or TRC20. Okay, so you can send straight from your MetaMask. Then you input, so for example, the amount that you want to deposit. Okay, so you select 1,000, or let's go for whatever. Okay, 1,000, and then you hit submit. Okay, so once you hit submit, okay, you gotta copy this wallet address right there. Okay, so you hit copy, and then you will have to send 1,000 USDT BEP20, okay, USDT BEP20 to this address right here. Okay, Payment not made within 1 hour, please place a new order. Okay, guys? So you'll have 1 hour to make this payment, this transaction. So after that, you will have to start all over again. Okay? And over here, we got the explanation how everything works. So once you've done that, the funds will be available. Okay? And once you got your funds available, you should be able to come over here to staking, click on staking. Okay? And you select the amounts that you want to invest. Okay? 50, 10, 25, 50, 100, or 300. And then you hit staking and boom, you are in. Okay? And over here we can see the staking total amount is 100,000 or 1 million, I don't know. But we can see so far we have 211,000. Okay, 211,000 stakes so far. Okay, and I believe once this is reached, there will be no more staking. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. So this one we have 101,000. Okay, and once you reach, these numbers are so small, like 1, 2, 3. I think it's 5 million. It's very hard to see because it's small numbers. Okay, but I think it's 5 million. Okay, and the minimum on this one, stage package number 2, is 500 and goes all the way to 3,000. Okay, 3,000 bucks. So let's have a look around and let's see what's up. Over here is your referral link. So once you are in the project, okay, guys. So once you got your stake in, you can come over here, copy the referral link, share it with your family, friends, social media. Whoever joins the platform under your referral link, you will get a referral commission. Okay, how much is the referral commission? We don't really know. These numbers are too damn small. Damn. Ooh. And yeah, over here we can see about us. So what's the setup? Setup is the username and password. Okay, cool. So let me try to figure it out. How much is the referral commission? I don't know. I don't know, but it doesn't matter because the main goal is to earn that daily rewards. Okay, guys. So essentially, that's that, guys. So today is just um a startup video, okay, just to show you how everything works. Okay, so tomorrow, because it's getting late now, so tomorrow I'm gonna do the top up, and then once I'm up and running, okay, I'll do a recharge and do the staking, and once I'm up and running, I'll come over here and show you how everything looks like. Okay, guys, that being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.